Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this very quick and easy no yeast, no bake pizza. So keep on watching. So for this I've taken 1 cup of self-rising flour and to that I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of plain yogurt. Mix it well with a spatula. And when it's combined, you can start with kneading with your hands. So if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So now it's well kneaded and you can see that the dough is soft. Now I'm taking only half of this dough for one pizza. Now add a bit of flour on the surface where you will be rolling it out and roll out the pizza dough. You can roll it out to as thick or thin as you like. I like it a bit thin. Now take your pan or skillet and rub a little oil on it so that it doesn't stick. And place the pizza dough on top of it. Cook it covered for 1 to 2 minutes. And after around 2 minutes of cooking on a medium-low heat, you can flip it over like this and you can add some pizza sauce on it. I'm using this homemade easy pizza sauce. Next, add some grated mozzarella cheese on top. Now I'm adding some onions and some bell peppers, green, yellow and red in color. You can add whatever toppings you like and whatever you have at home. I'm adding these onions and bell peppers and some turkey mortadella. That's what I have right now. Sprinkle some oregano on top. And then on top goes another layer of mozzarella cheese. Cover and cook it on a medium-low heat for 4 to 5 minutes. And once done, you can take it out and serve it, and you can see that the base is nice and soft and it's really easy and quick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other videos and until next time, bye bye.